This hungry hornbill has developed an ingenious way of getting a bigger breakfast. But he can't do it alone. A family of dwarf mongooses. The hornbill is ready to go, but they are in no rush. He can only wait while the mongooses get ready for their day. At last, they're off. And right behind them, the hungry hornbill. And what they miss, he'll snap up. The mongooses don't seem to mind. Foraging together works for everyone. The hornbill acts as a lookout. One call sends everyone diving for cover. Giant African land snails. Some of the largest, juiciest snails in the world. But they are a tough nut to crack. These mongooses have developed a special technique. They use the wooden logs like an anvil to smash snails against. The hornbill knows a dinner gong when he hears one.